Hi and welcome to
Clean version.
Lego Technic build of the excavator, bucket excavator. This is bag 3. It's only a short one, this one.
Hi.
Cheryl says hi. She's going to help me out with the big tracks because we'll be doing the 2 tracks on this build. So I'm going to do, yeah, so this comes with one bag of 88, maybe a spare or 2 of them here. These are the track pieces. So I'm going to build one and Cheryl's going to build one at the end as well. So we're going to do it on shot, so one by one, one after the other. So I'll separate them into 44 lots. 2 lots of 44. So that'll be at the end, but there's going to just be 2 of these to build at the same time. So have fun, hope you like the music as well. See you soon, bye. That's done. Didn't take too long compared to the last lot. Thanks Michelle helping me with the caterpillar tracks and the LOL doll. Being the little star of the driver. There's 44 tracks of these on each side, so that took a long time. That took the longest part compared to the rest of it. And also it said in the book, it said build. It showed you building one of these, but then it says build two. So I built both of them at the same time to make it easier. So it's quicker and less messing about. It's getting run over. So they show how big this thing is going to be. This is just the base of it. And you got the arm and everything like that on it. Stop it. Right, so that's bag 3 done. Please hit the like button. Share with friends as well, please. And hit the subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.